Hey guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So it is going to be week 3 of the weekly check-in. Now if you have seen my last video, you know that we did 2 weeks of the weekly check-in because I missed a week, so we were playing catch up. But anyways, this is week 3 of the weekly check-in, and before we get started, make sure you go and subscribe down below and let me know how you are doing this week. I think we did fairly decent, if I do say so myself. And yeah, so let's just get right into it so I won't be wasting your time, or a lot of people don't like long videos. I personally do love long videos, so let me know down below if you like short videos or long videos. All right, so on the 11th, we are going to be doing our no spin. So the 11th was a no spin. The 15th was a no spin. And then the 16th was a no spin. So we got 3 no spins in the week. And that's pretty good. I mean, I could do better. I know I could. But 3 is always better than none. All right, so moving on to the 12th. Now, we did our grocery shopping on the 12th. 1, because I was off that day. And then 2 is because I have a horrible internet. And it takes probably like 2 days to upload. Not even going to lie, because it's very, very slow. So we did our groceries on that day instead of Saturday, because it's the usual. On Saturdays, we go grocery shopping and get gas. But anyway, so on Friday the 12th, we went to Walmart and to Sam's, and I did have a video up for that, and we spent $48. Now, if I'm talking really, really light, it's because I actually do have a migraine right now as I'm videotaping this, but I did not want to miss doing this video. All right, and then also we did go and get gas, so that was $10. And gas is slowly rising up. I think a couple of weeks ago it was like $1.49, and now it's like $1.89. It's crazy. All right, so that is everything on the 12th. Now on the 13th, I bought a planner, and I had to buy a box to ship something off from eBay because I have been selling a lot of stuff on eBay. So I had to buy a planner, and then I bought a box, so I used my fun money for that. On the 14th, we did have steak night that night. So we did go to Fresh Market early in the morning, and I got $66 worth. It's not worth of steaks, but we bought steaks and everything else, and I had to get cash out also. So I'm just going to say $66 that we used from the, what's it called? My debit card if you are new. And it is not focusing. I don't know why it's not focusing very well. But anyway, so we went to Fresh Market, and I used my debit card, and I got $66. The steak itself was like $40-something, and I had to get $20 out. Anyways, so that is on the 14th, 15th, and 16th, which had no spins. And then on the 17th, I did get my haircut, so we did use the beauty envelope. And we spent $45 on haircut because my brother is getting married on the 20th. So I had to get my haircut a trim just so I can look decent because I am a bridesmaid. And that is everything. So we're just going to do a quick recap. So on the 11th, we had a no spin. On the 12th, we did our grocery haul for $48 and our gas for $10. On the 13th, we bought a planner and a box to ship some items that I have sold. Fresh Market, we spent $66. That is with steak, and then I got $20 out. And then no spin and no spin on the 15th and the 16th, and then I got a haircut on the 17th. Moving on to the weekly check-in part. So for groceries, we spent $48. And we should have $52 left. Gas, we spent $10, so we should have $50 left. Fun money, we spent $11, so we should have $49 left, if that is right. And then cushion, we spent $66. And then haircut, or my sinking funds, we spent So 104 from the cushion minus 66 equals to $38 is how much we should have left. And then sinking funds out of $1,480 minus 45 equals $1,435 is how much we should have left in our sinking funds. Now, before I end this video, as always, we are going to check our cash envelope to make sure that the cash envelopes or the cash that are in my envelopes are matching with the groceries, gas, and fund money. We are not going to be doing cushion because that is on my debit card. And then sinking funds, there's just way too many sinking funds to be counting to do that. All right, so groceries, it says I should have $52, 50, 1, and 2. So that's $52. So that is correct. Gas, I should have $50, 20, 40, and 50. Fund money, I should have $49, 20, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, and 49. So that is $49. And that is it. So I hope y'all have a great week, and let me know how y'all are doing this week, how much you have spent in your groceries, your gas, or let me know how much you put in every week in those categories, or if you have new categories, let me know also. And then hit that subscribe button and comment down below, and make sure you hit that notification because every time I post, you will be notified, so you can just go ahead and watch the video from the very beginning when I post and all the way to the end. And I appreciate you guys every single day, and thank you for your love and support. And I will see you guys on Sunday for a grocery haul. Bye, you guys.